Hey, hey, hey! I just wanted to come and say Happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers out there. And Happy Mother's Day to those of you that have fur babies. That's what kind of Mom's Day I'm celebrating today. And I wanted to take this opportunity because I haven't shared with you all that we have an amazing opportunity with Scentsy this month. So I'm just putting it out there. If anybody has ever been interested, then let me know, because it's only $15 to join Scentsy in May. It's our 15-year Scentsy anniversary, and so Scentsy's offering a $15 join kit. So if anybody's interested, I just wanted to put it out there. If you're not interested, do you know somebody that is looking for some extra cash or a way to make extra cash? I joined Scentsy now 9 years ago. Last month was my 9-year anniversary, and I just joined for a little extra cash to help remodel our house. And by my third month, I made enough to pay my whole student loan payment, which is like mortgage sized. So I thought, hey, I could build this as a business and make some extra money, support my Scentsy habit. And so that's what I have done. We have earned 11 free trips. We're about to go to Marco Island, Florida in June. Which Scentsy has rented the entire JW Marriott for us, and we will have 3 miles of private beach to play on. So I'm super excited for this tropical getaway this summer. But if you are looking for a way to get out of the house, a reason to talk to other adults, a way to support your Scentsy habit, a way to make some extra cash, however, whatever it is that you would get out of Scentsy, I hope that you will let me know and we could get you started for $15 this month as our anniversary special. So let me know, what other cool things can you get for being a Scentsy consultant? Some people join to make a little extra cash for shoe money. You might want to go on a summer vacation with your family. You may want to pay for sports. I know those can be quite expensive. So if there is something that you're looking for, sometimes people want just an extra stream of income to pay down debt. That is my primary goal right now, is to pay off that student loan that has been lingering over my head for 11 years. So 11 years plus, I guess, because I started in undergrad. But anyway, so Scentsy's a fun way to make some extra cash. So if you're interested, it's only $15. You're going to get more than $15 in product in your kit, and you'll get some testers and catalogs and things to share. So it's a wonderful way to support your Scentsy habit, travel more, meet new friends, get out of the house, have an extra stream of income for whatever it is that you need, and just be surrounded by a bunch of positive people and things like that. So if you're interested, let me know, and I would love to chat. If you are not interested, but you know somebody who is, somebody that might be interested, then please let me know, because I would love to get them started and reward you for your referral. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Mother's Day. Appreciate all the moms out there, and I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.